Welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is split lines. So for that, I have created few scenarios here. One by one, we will discuss each and every scenario. Okay. But before that, let me tell you what exactly split function do. So split function mainly split out the string and make it as a means provide a list as an output after splitting the string from the line changing character means \n. Okay, so let me show you one example. So for scenario one, you can see that we have stored the data in a string one variable, which is hello \n world. So what split line will do here, it will break the this entire string into two parts. First one is the string which is before \n, and second part would be the string after \n. Okay, so this is how it works. Split line works. Okay, so for to show the output, let me open my terminal, and here I will run this program python space session42. Let me save this before 42.py, and if I hit enter here, it will print output for all the thing. So if you are not aware of list, what is list, then list is something which comes as a inside a curly break inside a square bracket. Okay, so and this is the elements of the list. So you can see it breaks the first scenario string into two parts, where first part is the hello and second part is world, because after \n it divide the string into two part if there are okay. Let me tell you the second scenario now. So in second scenario, what we are doing, we have changed the string, and here we are using two \n. So you can see hello \r, which is for carriage return, then \n for new line or for change line, world, then \r and \n in Python. So if you use split function or split line here, so what it will do, it will break out the string from two part, because one is from here. So you can see first element is hello, which comes as \n before the \n. Then second part is world, here it is, and third part is Python, which is after \n. Okay, so this is how split lines break out the string into parts. Now if you look at the third scenario, here we are not passing any kind of \n character in the string. So what it will do, it will consider the entire string as a first element. So you can see here it is showing hello world as a first element of the list, because there is no \n. So how can it be possible to split the string without \n? Fine. Now you can see this fourth scenario. Here I'm using 2 times \n together. So what it will do, it will consider the first portion, means the thing which is before \n hello. Then after \n there is nothing, so it will consider it as a null. And after \n it means second \n there is world, so it will consider it as a third element of the list. Now let's see the fifth scenario. Here in fifth scenario, I'm using the \n after hello world, but here I'm also passing one argument, right, which is keeps end. So what it will do, it will break out the string, but it will also consider this as a part of a string. So you can see it makes it as hello \n, then second element is world. So this is the benefit of keeps end equals to true. If you would like to keep these things inside a string, means \n, \r, \t, then you can use this keeps end true. And then we have sixth scenario where we are not here we are not passing nothing, so obviously it will not return anything, so it returns the blank list. Okay, so if you would like to see this keeps and one more time, so I can modify one scenario for you. So here you can see that we are using \r, \n multiple times. So I will make here keeps and true, and if I run this program again, so you can see it shows \r and \n, but after \n it will break the string and then next string, then after \n it break the string and another string. Okay, so in short, you can say that split line method is used to split the string from \n or from new line character. Okay, another thing, if you are not passing any like if you are not passing keep send, it will not show any \n or \r, but if you are passing keep send equals to true as an argument, then it will show those things also. Okay, if there is not if \n is not available in the string, then it will consider it as a first element of the entire list. It will consider entire string as a first element of the list. Okay, so yeah, these are the some scenarios that we can use for split lines. So I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.